All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to MolarGold Monday weekly analysis. Today we are going to look at the gold asset and what we think that the asset will do today, all right, and the whole of the week. So, last week we saw the crazy actions from gold, the asset. We saw crazy actions. Yeah, we saw a lot of it. Today, what are we expecting? Today, what are we expecting? All right, so gold had initially, I drew this to be a 5 wave, which is correct. This also 3 wave, which is correct. But this is where we have a little changes here and there. So this is a triangle, all right. This is a triangle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this becomes a leading diagonal, and then we have an ABC correction. So we counted this to be with 1, and this is with 2. Then we have all of these to be with, no, all of these to be with 3, and this with 4 and with 5. All right, that was the count last week. Then I changed the count slightly. I said, okay, this is with 3, this is with 4, and that is with 5. And this with 5 was in the subdivision of 5 waves, okay, which completing the blue degree with 3. Then all this triangle, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangle, all right, is with 4. Remember, we can have a triangle in with 4, so that is also perfect correct. Then price went all the way to the upside as usual. All right. Then this is what happened with it. It started to come down impulsively. Okay. So since we didn't break here, that was last week. Since we didn't break here, last week Friday afternoon, we said okay. Then it's likely that this can still be 1, 2, 3, and then price will still go up. All right, but today the chart looks so clean that we can see um, it's a correction. Okay, so that is a correction. So impulse. So now we have an impulse, and then all this is a correction. All right, so if we have impulse and a correction, the next thing should be impulse. So we should get here, or we should get here. Okay, once we get here and there's a reaction, probably we can go up. Okay, but if we go through this level and we get here, then these will be with 1, with 2, with 3, with 4, and then we are going to with 5. All right, so we have all the possibilities set for gold. All right, so Kweku Boaten says, good morning, Doc. Francis Akins, good morning, boss. Thanks for being here for us all, always, and the good works. Thanks, Akins. God bless you. Then Douglas Asari says, good morning, Doc. Guys, if today is your first time, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, and hit that bell notification so that anytime I come live, you will be notified immediately. Okay, guys. If today is your first time, don't forget the tradition. When you come live, please hit the like button as many times as you can. All right, let's continue. So actually, the count was cool. It has no problems. All right, counting this to be, let me use this one. Counting this to be with 1, that with 2, and all of these as with 3, and then counting this corrections as with 4, and then with 5. Nothing is wrong with this count. It's perfectly correct. All right. And nothing is also wrong with this count with 1, with 2, with 3, with 4, and with 5. There is nothing also wrong with this count. This is also correct. Okay. So guys, it's very simple. All right, now we would look at the other pieces of the puzzle. Okay, once price break through this level, okay, then it means that we are no longer in this up move, and this up move has completed. So we have with 1, with 2, with 3, with 4, with 5, and it is completed. Once we pass here, once we go through here, it means that the cycle has ended. Okay, then that would push us into the very big move. And even with that, some Elliott wavers will change this count to wave A, with B, and with C. Okay, then this will become with 1, with 2, with 3, with 4, with 5. Then this is an A, B, C correction. Then we are going equal legs of this. Okay, so with 1, with 2, with 3, with 4, with 5, and we're going down. Once price break through here, this level, once price break through there, then we are correct. Okay, but for now we have to keep that uh, alternatives in our mind. So we will maintain the alternatives. Okay, we will maintain the alternatives in our minds. Okay, so now maintain the alternative, we maintain it. Nothing has happened, nothing at all has happened. So we just counting our waves and we following exactly. Then this becomes just a zigzag 5, 3, 5. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Completed. Alright. Goodness. Goodness today is good for you. Today is good for you. Yes, goodness has already cashed out some cool money for herself. Yeah. Goodness does not trade much, but anytime she trades, it's dangerous. Oh my God. Dan says, good morning, Doc. We're hoping to have a great week. As usual, week is always great. It's your emotions that plays with you. But the week is always great with us at Molar Gold, right? So, yes, once we get here, 5 wave. Okay, so this will become a 5 wave. Then this will become a 3 wave. And we expect another 5 wave to the downside because that is the pattern, a very simple pattern which we recognize. Okay, so once we break here, we will change our counts entirely. Our count will be changed entirely. A lot of things will change about the count. All right. Please, if today is your first time, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that anytime I drop a new video or I come live, you will be notified immediately. Okay. All right. So now that we have seen what is actually happening, let's go get the real issue of the day. We had the impulsive move, which is perfectly fine. Very, very impulsive, aggressive movement. All right. Now price have made an ABC correction like this. So we expect price to come inside here. Now let's get down to the smaller time frame to see. I always give you the clue on how to trade stuff like this. Okay. This can happen that we now have with 1, with 2, with 3, and then it's just going with 4, with 5. Okay. But one thing that I will keep telling you guys is that anytime you have a chart, you should look at one thing. Once it impulses like this, wait for correction, sell it. Okay. Once it impulses, wait for correction, sell it. Once it impulses, wait for a correction, sell it. All right. That's basically it. So any kind of correction that is going to come your way, please sell it until we get into this box. Once we get here, you should be looking over your shoulders, okay, because price can start going up from here. But if we break through here all the way to this 3, then price is now interesting for us for a deeper correction like this for a more sell. Okay, so with 1, with 2, with 3, with 4, with 5, like that. Okay. Oh, I didn't count it right. Sorry. So with one, with two, with three, with four, with five. Yeah. So this is what we are going to look at. Okay. So for now, guys, keep your eyes on the chart. Okay. So you're going to keep your eyes on the charts, look at the charts, make your decisions, and don't be greedy with the market. All right. Um, Priska says, "What's the breakout price? What's the breakout price? Which price are you talking about, Priska? The screen is blur. I can't see the prices. It might be your internet. So when you say price, I don't get it. All right. Now, another thing about trend lines is that we have done a breakout of the structure. Okay. And this is what they call the retest. So we have done retest. More sell. Right. So the cells are actually coming in line. Okay, they are coming in line. So we have to watch the charts, understand what is happening before we take a decisions. Okay, good. um if today is your first time, please don't forget like, comment, and subscribe. Tell somebody about Dr. Mola. Okay. Priska, I want to understand where you said the breakout. I don't get the breakout you were talking about. I don't get the breakout. Let me try get Priska. I know the name should be Prisla, but Priska is fine. Okay, so the breakout, I don't get where you're talking about the breakout. Where exactly, please? Okay, you can see me in my office and you talk about that. Okay. At this point, if there's nothing much to talk about, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, and hit that bell notification so anytime I come live, you will be notified immediately. By the way, my name is Dr. Mola, and I'll say bye for now, guys.